I want to take another brief moment to introduce you to the Cuyahoga Community College Basic Computer Skills course. This course can be accessed external from My Tri-C Space. The web address is www.tryc.edu/BCSC. Basic Computer Skills course. You do not need a password. You do not need a user ID. This can be accessed on a computer. It can be accessed on a tablet. It can be accessed on your mobile phone. So here the college says, welcome to the Basic Computer course on behalf of Cuyahoga Community College. The Basic Computer course is available in order to provide training and common technology skills that can be used in your everyday life. The very first chapter is an introduction from the college president, Dr. Michael Baston.
Hello, I'm Dr. Michael Baston, President of Cuyahoga Community College. I want to welcome you to the Basic Computer Skills course. With so many people working and going to school from home, the need to be up to speed with technology has never been greater. Tri-C is offering our community this free of charge opportunity to gain the skills to be successful with technology. We believe this will help bridge the digital divide many of us experience.
So as you notice, I would encourage you to continue to or watch the welcome from the college. It also talks about how you navigate this website. If you noticed here, I clicked on the welcome to the college, and when I did that, it opened up another tab. And if you're looking, once this video is concluded, there's no way for me to easily go back to the previous page without first going to the very top and then clicking on the tab. There's something that I like to talk about, which is tab technology. It's a way of navigating from one web page to another. So when you're in a browser, and in this case I'm in Microsoft Edge, when I'm in this browser, every time I click on a new tab, it's going to open up a new page. And this is the part that can become very confusing for our users. It's like, how do I get back to the other page? Well, that's where your tab technology comes into play. If you take your mouse and you hover over any tab, it is not only going to give you a screen tip, but it also is going to give you a picture. So in this case, it's going to give me that image, that picture, that thumbnail is what it's officially called. That's going to allow me to see that I can just simply click on that tab and it will take me back to the previous page. Then I can continue to look at all the courses that are available to me. I can take any category separate of itself. So if I go down here and I click on, I want to know about access to the internet. So I'm in chapter 7, use the internet. As soon as I click on that, it opens up another tab and starts the video that introduces me to how to access the
Welcome
internet.
to the Basic Computer Skills.
If you look on the left-hand side of this screen, like again, there's a new tab. Here's my basic computer. That was my introduction from Dr. Bassett. And here is my access, which is chapter 7. But if you notice down here, I have a menu. One menu has a check mark by it. That tells me that I've either watched it or began to watch it. The other menus or the other options will not become available to me until I actually click on it. I have to complete the previous one before it allow me to go to the next one. So if I just wanted to click on internet, as you can see as I'm clicking, it is not allowing me to access it. I have to complete. And as you are moving through, I'm going to go ahead and play
access
this.
the internet.
As you're moving through and that video has completed, you will see in the lower right hand corner that's a next button
In this
that will
learning
allow
activity,
me
you
to
will
click on the
relate
very
terms to
next
using the internet.
lesson. And now I have an additional check mark because I've started. I can also go back to the previous lesson, but as you can see right here, because I'm not done with this lesson, the next button is grayed out. But again, at any point, I simply go back to the top of my browser window, click on that basic computer skills course, and if it's a good web designer, that tab will always display a title of what that page content is about. So I want you to keep in mind that as you're navigating through this basic computer course, as you click on a category, make sure that you go back to the tab at the very top, look for that basic computer skills course, and that will take you to the home page of this course, and you can continue to navigate through the course. Again, each category can be taken out of order. You do not have to go in order, but if that is your preference, I would strongly encourage you to do so. Thank you for watching.